Hi, welcome back. Here we're going to have a look at how to bounce in place an external instrument. As you can see here, I've got my external synth here, the Numa piano here, Numa X piano, and I've got it assigned to all MIDI channels and an output here to 1 and 2. I've brought the input volume up a little bit because it was couldn't hear it. So if you can hear it here on its own, if I solo it, so as you can hear, that's playing. Okay, so what we need to do is do exactly what we do, is go to bounce in place right here, or you can do it on the keyboard, or you can use the shortcut that's shown here. So I go bounce in place like that. And then what's going to happen here is it's going to now bounce this, but in real time. Okay, so you can hear this. And of course I'm bouncing it without the console one, so that will be put on afterwards. So you bounce it without the effects, basically. You have to wait the whole thing out, of course. It doesn't do it fast like when you do it in Logic as a normal bounce in place. It just really does it fast. This does it in real time. I left the reverb on because I liked it. Gives it its own space. And that should bounce it into a file. And there you have it. So now if I go to this one here, you'll hear this now. So there you have it. That's how you bounce in place an external instrument. Pretty straightforward. A lot easier than when we used to have to bounce it out and then bring it back in as a file. That was a bit more. It was a bit, well, it wasn't the end of the world, but it was just more, a bit slower. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Ciao.